I'm going to demonstrate how to make a top dressing so that you can get a better harvest of cucumbers and tomatoes using this instructional video. Utilizing one very basic tool which you most likely already have on hand. This top dressing will be very beneficial for those crops because it will speed up the growth of the veggies and it will improve the plant's ability to absorb nutrients from the soil in which they are growing. Beneficial microflora, bacteria in the soil which play an important role in plant nutrition, will find this to be very useful. It will strengthen their resistance to stress, which in turn will give them the strength necessary for growth and fruiting. In order to make the top dressing, citric acid is required here. Citric acid should be diluted using 1 tablespoon in every 10 liters of water. Following that, we water the tomatoes and cucumbers at their roots, a half liter directly beneath each plant close to the roots. That is it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.